Rtd Maj Alupo ebyabigambo byabali omujenyi mukuru aha mukoro gw'okujaguza obusinguzi bwa Isingiro district ehereze kusinga districts zona omukora emirimo omunkora ya local government assessment.
Congratulate the leadership and the people of Isingiro district for this outstanding achievement. Congratulations. This success reflects effective leadership, teamwork between political actors and technical leaders, prudent use of public resources, and commitment to improving the welfare of all our people.
We had challenges of the road. We have roads made. We still gallop with some challenges which the chairman mentioned. We had challenges with our education infrastructure. We go to Dr. Deep and we have done some. We had challenges with staffing. You know how many times I came to you and the Minister of Finance to make sure that we get enough budget to recruit people. We have. We appreciate.
Omukoro ogu gwahikwaho abanyeshengero ba district ya Isingiro kandi bagira ngo barabe mbakora nibashiteganisibwe ekizibu ky'enguuto n'ibura ry'amarwariro marungi bagayisireho ibura rya miss.
Ere centers nyingi kandi waza kureba na district okweri kwingana district eri costinga empungi site civil oruchingana na Chivari mbona rangana ngwa president no waturaganise district hospital ngabe ni shabo kundo kushabo kukurenga ngo district hospital ebeho aharugwe kubo deri ebinde bizubu byashanga twinirwa roryitu rya district mazima no turetu inemu buce ubuhwamu abo kuba ntubatu amanyangu buri kimwe kituru kwetega twaza kuzambarira
tukugamba cha district kuba mpango kandi bakwa juka president Museveni akajya taro kongera mu district so twamushaba mgo wabota kwenda kushara district Isingiro hacha atongera road equipments kandi nabwo yatugambira President Museveni nakimanya kandi road yashitiro mu nkora.
Vice President yaraganisa ngo ebiri kuteganisa entunguka ya district egi nibyija kukorwaho ngo kandi district neija kuhabwa byoma byo gukora enguudo.
For the case of the road units, for instance, instead of giving one, which is also given to a district with maybe 10 sub-counties, instead of giving one road unit to a district like Isingiro with 30 sub-counties, we should use that angle of good practice to give Isingiro 2 road units.
Gasha kwa Rufen wamanya.